Understanding the basics of AI and machine learning in SEO. Did you know that AI and machine learning are revolutionizing the way search engine optimization SEO works? These technologies have the potential to significantly impact how websites are ranked and how users find information online. Defining AI and machine learning. First, let's clarify what AI and machine learning are. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. On the other hand, machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training a machine to learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. How AI and machine learning influence SEO. One of the most notable impacts of AI and machine learning in SEO is the way search engines evaluate and rank websites. Search algorithms are becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing search engines to better understand the context and intent behind user queries. Content optimization and user engagement. AI and machine learning also play a crucial role in content optimization and user engagement. For instance, search engines use machine learning to analyze user behavior and preferences, which can affect how websites are ranked based on user interaction metrics. Personalization and user experience. Furthermore, AI-powered algorithms can provide personalized search experiences based on a user's past behavior and preferences. This personalization can lead to more tailored search results and improved user experience, ultimately impacting website visibility and traffic. Future trends and implementation. As AI and machine learning continue to advance, it's essential for SEO professionals to stay updated on emerging trends and techniques. Understanding these technologies can help in adapting SEO strategies to align with AI-powered search experiences and take advantage of evolving algorithms. By understanding the role of AI and machine learning in SEO, businesses and website owners can optimize their online presence to better meet the needs of both search engines and users. To do, create an AI-powered keyword research strategy for improving SEO performance. Short step-by-step plan. Identify relevant keywords. Utilize AI tools such as SEMrush or Ahrefs to analyze industry trends and user search behavior to identify high-ranking keywords. Analyze keyword difficulty. Use AI-powered tools to assess the competitiveness and difficulty of ranking for selected keywords. Generate content ideas. Employ AI content generation tools like ClearScope or Phrasee to brainstorm content ideas and optimize for selected keywords. Optimize existing content. Utilize AI-powered tools to identify opportunities for optimizing existing content for better search engine performance based on AI recommendations. Monitor performance. Leverage AI analytics tools to monitor keyword performance and make data-driven adjustments to the strategy.